In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify checkout page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tweak so your checkout looks on brand and feels smooth for your customers. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center and everything will adjust lives here. From the left-hand menu, head down to Settings. Inside Settings, find and click Checkout. This page controls both the look and the behavior of your checkout. So we'll start with the visual side. Under Customize Checkout, click Customize. This opens the theme editor focused on your checkout pages. Begin by uploading your logo. Choose a clear, high-quality image that looks good at smaller sizes and keep any background transparent if you want a clean look. Next, adjust your colors. Pick button, background, and text colors that match your brand, but make sure there's strong contrast so the text remains easy to read. Consistency here helps customers trust they're still in your store. Select your font style to align with your brand tone. Simple, legible fonts typically convert better, especially on mobile. Then adjust the layout. You can change where the logo appears and fine-tune the form style. A centered logo can feel balanced, while a left-aligned logo might look more streamlined. Keep the layout uncluttered so customers can focus on completing their purchase without distractions. When you're happy with the visuals, click Save. This locks in your design choices. Now return to the checkout settings to fine-tune how the form behaves. Start with the customer contact method. Choose whether customers check out with an email, a phone number, or both. Think about how you plan to send updates. Using email is standard, while phone can be useful for time-sensitive messages. Next, set your form options. Decide which fields are required and which are optional. Requiring fewer fields can speed up checkout, but make sure you collect what you truly need, such as a phone number for carriers that require delivery updates or details for certain business orders. Keep your choices aligned with your fulfillment process. You can also enable or disable tips, order notes, and similar options. Tips may be helpful for certain businesses, while order notes allow customers to share delivery preferences or customization details. Only enable what adds value to your workflow to avoid clutter. When all settings look good, click Save again. That's it. You've customized the look and functionality of your Shopify checkout to create a consistent, trustworthy, and efficient experience for your customers.